Turkey does not rely on a single magic weapon. It relies on a connected ecosystem, a network of systems that, when linked together, become far more powerful than any one platform alone. Each system matters on its own, but their true strength comes from how they share data, cover each other's blind spots, and turn geography into an advantage. This is how that network comes together. It begins in the air, with the manned backbone that holds the entire structure. F-16 Özgür, the backbone. The Özgür modernization program transforms Turkey's F-16 fleet into a fully connected combat force. With upgraded avionics, radar, and weapon systems, these aircraft are no longer operating alone. They are part of a wider network. They can receive targeting data from drones, ships, and ground units and act on it instantly. While next-generation fighters are still in development, these upgraded F-16s maintain control of the skies, deliver precision strikes, and train the next generation of pilots. But even the backbone has limits. Manned aircraft cannot be everywhere at once, so the mission extends to systems that can stay in the air for long periods, watching, waiting, and acting when needed. Bayraktar Akinci, the long arm. The Akinci extends the battlefield forward. It flies at high altitude and can remain in the air for more than a day. It watches, it waits. But it does more than observe, it connects. With advanced sensors and strike capability, it can detect and engage targets on its own, without waiting for manned aircraft. Still, persistence alone is not enough in contested environments. The network also needs protection. Cyper, the shield. Cyper provides long-range air defense. It is designed to intercept aircraft, cruise missiles, and ballistic threats at extended distances. But its real power is integration. Radar and defense systems across different regions are linked together. One sector can support another. This shared awareness reduces reaction time and closes gaps in coverage. With the airspace protected and surveillance in place, operations shift downward to shaping the ground fight. T-155 Fırtına, the ground fist. On land, the T-155 Fırtına delivers long-range firepower, but it does not fire blindly. Working with drones and forward observers, it becomes a precision weapon. It strikes quickly, then moves before the enemy can respond. Artillery can shape the battlefield, but it cannot hold it. For that, the network turns to armored forces that can take and keep ground. Altay, the anchor. The Altay main battle tank provides strength and stability on the ground, with modern armor, active protection systems, and digital targeting. It is built to survive in high-threat environments, and it does not fight alone. It moves with support from drones, electronic warfare, and artillery, giving it greater awareness and protection than older tanks. That protection, however, does not start with armor. It starts with something you cannot see. Coral, the invisible hand. Coral operates in the electromagnetic spectrum. It jams enemy radar, disrupts communications, and weakens targeting systems. In simple terms, it blinds the enemy. When Coral is active, it creates openings, allowing other systems to move or strike with reduced risk. And this advantage is not limited to land. The same network extends outward across open water. TCG Anadolu, the floating airbase. TCG Anadolu is a mobile command and launch platform. It carries drones, helicopters, and supports amphibious operations. It allows Turkey to project air power without relying on fixed bases. With platforms like TB3 and Kızılelma, it becomes a forward node in the same network. But even a floating airbase needs protection to operate effectively. That responsibility falls to the escorts that surround it. Istanbul-class frigate, the Sea Guardian. These frigates provide protection. They combine air defense, anti-submarine warfare, and surface strike capabilities. They protect naval groups, secure sea routes, and extend the reach of the fleet. Yet the network does not stop at the surface. Beneath it, another layer of deterrence operates quietly and continuously. The silent deterrent. Race-class submarines remain hidden. With air-independent propulsion, they can stay underwater for long periods. They track enemy movements and create constant uncertainty. They are rarely seen, but always considered, across air, land, and sea. One element ties everything together. One element connects everything. Atmaca, the common thread. Atmaca is the link between platforms. This anti-ship missile can be launched from ships, submarines, aircraft, or coastal systems. Different platforms, same weapon. This means a fighter jet, a frigate, or a submarine can strike the same target. Using the same system, guided by shared intelligence, Atmaja does not just add firepower, it brings coordination.